Hey guys, it's Holly from Cricut Craft Life, and today I'm going to show you how to create a custom gift bag with heat transfer vinyl. You'll go ahead and make your cut with your Cricut or Silhouette and weed your design. Because each gift bag size is different, you'll want to measure your surface area of your project to make the right cut for your design. Then after you've made your cut, you'll just weed away the small pieces of vinyl to get your design ready to press. I like to use heat transfer versus adhesive vinyl because with adhesive vinyl you have to work with the transfer tape. The transfer tape makes it more difficult to work with a project because it does try to stick to the gift bag. With heat transfer vinyl, the carrier sheet does not stick to the material, and it's easier to adhere the vinyl to a gift bag. After your weeding is finished, you're ready to press. I lay down a towel because it gives the project something to press into, but if you have it, you can also use your Easy Press mat. If you want, you can protect your project with a teflon sheet or parchment paper, and I'll press for 300 degrees for about 15 seconds. This is the smallest size Easy Press too, and so I'm going to press the project in 2 sections. If you try to peel your carrier sheet and your vinyl lifts, just use the parchment paper or teflon sheet and press for just a few seconds longer. And then we'll just peel our carrier sheet and our project is finished. So thanks for watching, and you can explore more at shopcraftables.com.